How to put YouTube playlist on repeat. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application YouTube. Once you are in here, what you want to do is, first of all, head over to any of the video. Well, it could be any video that you want to. Once you find the video, click on this three dot over here and then tap on Save to Playlist. Click on New Playlist. You have to give one name for your playlist. You can enter any of the name that you want to and then tap on Create. Once the playlist has been created, now head over to you at the bottom right corner and then head over to the playlist that you have just made. Tap on the video that you have just added. Once the video is playing, over here below your username, you'll get to see this icon. Simply click on it. Once you click on this icon, your playlist will start to play on repeat, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can put YouTube playlist on repeat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.